Alrighty, here's a quick and greasy PSA for you. You ever been filling up your lawnmower or your ATV or your motorcycle or literally any small engine and you've gone to use one of these no leak gas can nozzles and you have just absolutely leaked gasoline all over your hands and all over the side of your lawnmower, or bubbled up the paint, gotten whatever nasty additives they have in here on your skin, on your hands, on your pants, on your legs, and your eyeballs, and your mouth. It doesn't really taste that good either. And you would just prefer to never do that again. And additionally, you've had one of these in your car and it falls over and just leaks gasoline everywhere because the seals get boogered every time you go to use it, because you have to take the nozzle on and off every single time you go to dump gas, because the thing won't pour gas correctly and it dumps gas everywhere and it makes everything stinky. And so, you're spilling 300 times more gas than you would using a regular nozzle, because the EPA doesn't want one of these things to spill when it falls over, when some idiot forgets to, put a cap on it. Well, there's a quick and easy solution for that. It's called put a regular nozzle on the thing. So you can pick up one of these kits. I think this is a 8-piece kit. I picked this up for $30. And I go through these things like you wouldn't believe, because every single time I pick up a gas can or go to work someplace or have to, utilize a 5-gallon gas can for anything, I replace the nozzle, because, oh man, it makes pouring gas into something an absolute breeze. And you don't smell like gasoline at the end of it, which is a great plus, because you can turn a POS like this into a work of beauty like this, which doesn't leak gasoline because there's no gas in it, but also because you have a twist seal with a seal in it. And this is sealed down here. And you never have to take this off other than to refill it, because you don't have to take this off to pour gas, accurately, because it actually works and it seals and it doesn't leak around this nozzle. And this doesn't leak. So if you turn it sideways, it doesn't leak, and you don't have to have one of these quick idiot-proof contraptions on it. And additionally, you have a vent, because although vents do leak gas sometimes, if you don't store the thing like this, they don't. And you can just do that, and then your gas pours twice as fast, which means you're less likely to get tired and drop the gas can and spill gas everywhere and set yourself on fire and die in a car fire again. So really, this is just me ranting. And every gas can should look like this. Well, you can pick whatever color you want, but it should look like that and never like this, because this is a disgusting disgrace to mankind. Also, quick aside, these Midwest cans are absolute beautiful. The second handle back here is exquisite. And I'm going to show you how to upgrade your gas can, because it literally takes 5 seconds. So first things first, take your nozzle off, let all the gas vapor out, breathe it in. It's cheaper than alcohol with the tariffs and whatnot. Then take your stupid locking ring off, drill on it a little bit, it'll engage the threads, then you can just spin it off, spin her on around, and then make sure you're using a brush drill, because this has little sparky jobbers in here, which will ignite all the gas fumes. Don't actually do that. Use a brushless, drill if you can, but I don't have one, so I'm doing this. Do this at your own risk. Just like that. Drill a hole at the highest point that you know is open to air. Then pop in the appropriately sized vent. Grab the appropriately sized nozzle adapter. Spin her on. Bam, you're done. 15 seconds, and you've just made the most amazing upgrade you can make to any gas can, just like that. So I'm going to do the rest of these and not dump gas everywhere, and then go get a lot of gas, and then go put it into things that I probably shouldn't be wasting gas on. But it's a free country. I'll waste gas on whatever I want. Think safety, more like thick fatty, if you know what I mean. Ugh. It's a thing of beauty. Ugh. God, I hate these things. Okay, so that's it. I just want an excuse to rant about that and, do a little bit of PSA. So if this helped you out, consider giving the video a like. Comment, say something. Say what is your favorite upgrade to a gas can? Is it this? Or do you like to have the big, long nylon tube nozzles instead? I don't actually have one of those. But I hear they're really nice. They're especially good when you've got something with a really out-of-place gas filled nozzle somewhere. And additionally, if you want to see more garbage like this, you gotta subscribe. So smash that big gray button down there. Until next time, I'm out.